Hello everyone, and welcome back to another great English lesson here on Daily English Conversations.
Hi there, everyone. We are so incredibly glad you are joining us today.
Today, we have a very fun lesson planned. We are visiting a local pet shop.
Oh, I absolutely love pets. Are we going to see cute dogs or fluffy cats?
Well, in today's dialogue, a customer is shopping for their new cat.
That sounds wonderful. This lesson is graded at the A2 CEFR level.
Yes, which means it is great for pre-intermediate learners who want to practice real, everyday English.
In this video, we will learn how to ask for specific items in a shop and talk about prices.
We will focus on useful phrases like "Do you have?" and "Where can I find?"
That is going to be very useful for everyday situations. Let's start with our first section.
Great idea. Let's jump right into the pet store and listen to the conversation. Hello, welcome to Happy Pet Store. How can I help you today?
Hi there. Thank you. I recently adopted a new cat, and I need to buy some essential supplies for her.
Oh, congratulations on your new cat. That is very exciting news. What is her name?
Her name is Luna. She is a very sweet and playful kitten, and I want to make sure she has everything she needs.
That is a beautiful name. What do you need to buy for Luna today?
Well, I need some healthy cat food and a good scratching post, but I don't know where they are.
No problem at all. I can help you find everything in the store. Where should we start?
Let's start with the cat food first. Where can I find it?
The cat food is located in aisle 4. It is right next to the dog toy section.
Okay, aisle 4. Is it far from the front of the shop?
No, it is not far at all. It is just straight ahead, on the left side of the shop.
Great. Do you have different brands of cat food available there?
Yes, we do. We have both dry food and wet food from many popular brands.
Excellent. I want to buy something very healthy for Luna because she is still a growing kitten.
We have a special section for premium kitten food in that aisle. Let's walk over there together and look.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate your assistance.
You are very welcome. Helping pet owners is my favorite part of working here.
That is very kind of you. Let's go to aisle 4 and see what we can find.
Here we are in aisle 4. As you can see, we have so many choices for cat food.
Wow, there are indeed many choices. Do you have grain-free cat food for kittens?
Yes, we do. This brand here is very popular. It is grain-free and made especially for kittens.
That looks very good. How much is one bag of this grain-free food?
A small bag is $12, and a large bag is $25.
I think I will take the small bag first to see if Luna likes the taste.
That is a very smart decision. Kittens can be very picky with their food.
Yes, that is very true. Now, where can I find the scratching posts?
The scratching posts are located in aisle 6, near the back wall of the store.
Perfect. Let's go look at them. Do you have different sizes and styles?
Yes, we have small posts, medium posts, and very large cat trees with multiple levels.
Since Luna is still small, I think a medium-sized scratching post is best for our apartment.
We have a wonderful retro-style scratching post that is very popular with customers right now.
Oh, a retro style? That sounds very unique and cute. Let's see it.
It is right over here. It is shaped like a small vintage television with a scratching pad inside.
Wow, that is beautiful. It matches the furniture in my living room perfectly.
It is also made of very durable wood, so Luna can scratch it without damaging it.
That is exactly what I need. How much does this retro scratching post cost?
This one is $45. It is actually on sale this week.
Great. I will definitely buy this scratching post for Luna. Let's head to the front.
Are you ready to check out now? Or do you need to find anything else for Luna today?
I think that is everything for today. I have the food and the retro scratching post.
Perfect. Let's head over to the cash register at the front of the shop.
Okay, I am ready to pay. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and cash payments.
That is very convenient. I will pay with my credit card today.
Great. Let me scan your items. First is the bag of grain-free kitten food.
And second is the retro-style scratching post in the box.
Yes, the scratching post. The total price comes to $57 before tax.
That is a very reasonable price for these high-quality items.
With tax, the final total is $62.10.
Here is my credit card. Can I tap it on the machine over there?
Yes, please tap your card on the screen right here when the light turns green.
Okay, I just tapped it. Did the payment go through successfully?
Yes, it is approved. Here is your card and your receipt.
Thank you very much. Should I carry the scratching post? Or do you have a large bag?
The scratching post is quite big, but it has a built-in handle on the box for easy carrying.
Oh, I see the handle now. That is very helpful.
Have a wonderful day, and I hope Luna loves her new food and retro toy.
Thank you. I am sure she will enjoy them. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back and visit our store again soon. Welcome back, everyone. That was a great and practical dialogue at the pet shop.
Yes, it was. Let's review some key vocabulary and phrases from the conversation.
First, we learned the phrase, "Do you have?" which is used to ask if a shop sells something.
For example, we asked, "Do you have grain-free cat food?"
Next, we used "Where can I find?" to ask for directions to a specific product inside the shop.
For example, we asked, "Where can I find the scratching posts?"
We also heard words like scratching post, which is a special post for cats to scratch their claws on,
and checkout counter or cash register, which is the place where you pay for your items.
Finally, we learned about the receipt, which is the paper document showing how much you paid.
These are all very common shopping words that you can use when you go to any store.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident when speaking English in a store environment.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.
And do not forget to subscribe to Daily English Conversations for more helpful lessons.
Thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English every single day.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.